Hey, Jim Hart back at you here from the Hart Law Firm, and today I want to share with you everything you need to know about the alimony law that's changing at the end of 2018. Hey, my name is Jim Hart. I am the founding attorney here at the Hart Law Firm here in Cary, North Carolina. We are family law and divorce lawyers. We help people to navigate the process of going through a separation and divorce in Cary, Raleigh, and Wake County generally in North Carolina. And today what I want to talk to you about is how alimony is changing at the end of 2018 going into 2019 and some things that you might need to know about. Regardless of whether you are the spouse who is the supporting spouse, the one who would be paying alimony, or the spouse who is receiving alimony, also known as the dependent spouse under North Carolina law. And basically what you need to know, it's pretty simple. At the end of, if you do not have an alimony agreement in place by the end of 2018, moving into 2019, next year the law changes such that any payments made for alimony are going to be basically tax-free. In other words, it's going to be just if you are ordered to pay $2,000 a month in alimony or receive $2,000 a month in alimony, you're receiving that money just like you would a child support payment. There's no tax effect to that amount. If you're somebody who's already been paying alimony and you know that you could deduct $2,000 a month off your income taxes at the end of the year, and that's something you look forward to because that's a massive deduction. In next year, if you don't have an alimony agreement in place going into 2019, you are no longer going to be able to deduct the amount of your alimony payment on your taxes. Now, conversely, if you're the person who's receiving alimony, if you wait and don't get your alimony agreement done until 2019, then you do not have to claim alimony as income. That's the good thing. The bad thing is the spouse that's paying the alimony is probably not going to be willing to pay as much because they're not going to have a tax benefit to do so as they would have if you made an agreement under the current law. Now, the current law stays in effect until the end of this year, so if you're trying to negotiate your alimony before the end of 2018, now is the time to do it. Because for the person that's paying alimony, they get to deduct that amount going forward from their gross income, and you would have to include in your income for the tax years going forward. However, what's important about that is, number one, if you're the person receiving the alimony, you're probably going to get more from the supporting spouse if you do it this year, number one, so you don't need to worry as much about the tax effect because the marginal tax rate for you is probably less than the marginal tax rate for the person that's paying the alimony. And so on an after-tax basis, you'll be making out ahead if you get your alimony done in 2018. And that's true also for the person that's paying the alimony because they'll be able to pay more money to the other spouse and receive a bigger tax benefit for doing so. That's what you need to know. That's what's happening at the end of 2018. If you do not have an alimony agreement in place by the end of 2018, then moving into 2019, this is something you're going to need to be concerned about because moving forward, you would not be able to deduct your alimony as a deduction on your tax return, and you also, if you're the receiving spouse, would not have to report it as income. It should be just like child support. That's the way child support is treated now. Anyway, that's what I got for you today. Hope you're having a great day, getting ready for Christmas here at the Hart Law Firm. We're getting settled into our new office, and so if you look at the old videos, the surroundings behind me look a little bit different. That's because we just moved into a new office condo over the weekend. We're very excited about. We're still here in Cary, just right down the road from our old office. It's a great change for us, and we're really excited about the growth that this new space will afford our firm. So if you like what I'm saying, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about this, and also hit the little bell over here to get notified whenever we post new videos, which usually we post 1 or 2, sometimes 3 videos a month on this channel. And that's it. Have a great day, folks. We'll talk soon. Take care.